Indio Food Truck Fridays.
We got the vodka roni sauce pizza from Nick's Pizza again. Zero flop, good undercarriage. I'll say 7-8.
Say 8 flat. Okay.
Double smash burger from El Reaper again. A little dippy crew. This is churros. The ice cream has chocolate drizzle and lechette on it. So
Yeah.
good. So good.
That's that.
Truck Fridays was pretty good. 8.4 level experience in comparison to last week.
I'd say 8.2.
Wow. The churro place was amazing.
Yeah. That was 10 out of 10 for me. Alone.
Come back next week.